Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. So today's giveaway, my funded futures 350K core plan giveaway. So I will start giveaway a bit early, but not right now. Guys, how are you? How's your morning so far? So a bit choppy on gold. I was trying to short. I entered right here. It was like 50 cents away from my final TP. I stepped out at break even, so sitting with no trades anymore, just one break even. So once again, we have equal highs higher on gold. We have, I wouldn't say it's important equal lows, but still equal lows. Oh, you got same trade. It's okay. So it's okay. Not going to complain about this. Break-ins and break-even. So looks choppy. I'm not going to lie. I'm probably going to wait for the equal highs to be taken or equal lows to be taken. I'm not going to re-enter this trade anymore. It doesn't look nice, right? So sitting with break-even, slightly red because of commission, like $8 negative. I don't really care. So it stopped me at break-even this trade. Honestly, I still would like to see slightly lower. Would like to see the test of 12, 11, somewhere here. But idea this morning was we're going higher. Then possible attempt to reverse. I traded 10 micros. It's like 1 mini. Like micros probably to take partials. Like 10, 15 micros. So let's see if we take equal highs first. Then I will try to look for potential trade again. Yes, exactly. So I still would like to see the test of discount again. We just took internal sell side. I was thinking about taking partial, not going to lie, but I changed my mind. It was like 1.5 R. I just moved at break even. It's okay, not going to complain about this. As you can see, yes, pretty much strong bearish bias. We hit early fair value gap on both yes and NQ, but I still kind of bearish. Kind of bearish on NQ and yes. I don't mind to see break below Asia low on both yes and NQ. And I would like to see we going lower, preferably to weekly opening, week opening gap, but what will happen probably next? First. So I would like to see slightly higher. I would like to see ES going to at least equilibrium of this overnight range. So from this high to this low, equilibrium at 63.44. Since incurred in premium, stuck at equilibrium, at this point, if ES wants to take equilibrium, we take London high, it will create SMT, we can try to short. But I'm still bearish on a yes and NQ. Nothing changed. I would like to see we taking out equal highs on gold, and on CL, it's choppy. So I'm probably not interested in CL. I'm going to check other assets right now. As well, let's see what we have. Let's do top-down analysis. Let me delete some levels. Okay, strong rejection. I'm going to highlight 50% of... This is Japanese yen, guys. I'm going to highlight 50% of this weekly wick. Going to switch on daily chart. We have daily order block, okay. Doing top-down analysis to see what bias we have. Okay, we have daily order block. We have small daily fair value gap. Going to highlight this as well. Minor sweep, potential sweep, not sweep just yet. Well, Since potential daily sweep, I need to switch on hourly chart and look for order block. We still don't have OB, unfortunately. I will be bullish on Japanese yen on medium time frame with closure above top of this candle. So basically, it's going to be potential order block, and I will be bullish to take buy side. So I cannot see the trade yet. So we'll probably look for a long on Japanese yen above, once you can get the closure on hourly, something like this. For now, I would stay away probably. Yeah, no bias, unfortunately. Or fortunately, so who knows? Let's see, maybe we have something to trade. Not really. Okay, we'll just wait. Gold took equal highs. Brilliant. Brilliant. So let's see if we get potential sweep or any model from this range. We have some flat candles. Flat candles means candles that doesn't have a wick. It's 3-minute chart. I don't think it's important, but still. Okay. Let's see what we can do inside this hourly fair value gap. Can we get 5-minute smart money reversal? If so, I will try to short. If not, then probably we'll look for continuation. We do have giveaway today. 3 new plans from my funded futures core plans. I will do more. I will do scale, but not today. And I will do some funding ticks giveaway as well. Not today. So let's see if we have something on ES and NQ. We do have SMT. SMT not confirmed by OB yet. But once again, I'm looking for ES to trade to equilibrium. What's purple? I'm looking for NQ to take London high to create SMT. How to participate? I will send you the form. That's it. You need to fill this form. And done. Guys, what is your bias on ES and NQ? What level you would like to see today? Let me move candles to the right because overlaps. Drawings. Answer me. Are you Tanis? No. Weekly open. I kind of would like to see weekly open as well. We have Trump is going to announce. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check a news calendar right now. Give me 1 second. Yeah, tariffs deadline at 12, right? At 12 p.m., right? So probably it can be slightly choppy. I copy across all my accounts. At 12, I believe. At 12. Yeah, at 12. I'm going to check right now at 12 p.m. So basically, maybe it's going to be choppy until lunch. Tariffs deadline. Trump. Probably it's going to be bad. So we will drop at this news. It's going to be at 12, if not mistaken. I think so. At 12, guys. And I think it's going to be bad. So we will drop at this news. I think it's 12. I don't remember, guys. I'm so sorry. Trying to find for you. You can find, I saw this somewhere, but I don't remember where. I know that it's deadlines, but what time? It's probably near lunch. Near lunch. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to find right. I don't see it. Let me check financial juice right now. Because I will set alerts as well. I have account with them. Yes, I do have account with them. Cannot find, but pretty sure it was 12. But overall, we have yellow folder news, so probably we will not see volatility. Well, let's switch from NQN, yes, because I will probably just wait for M2 model to trade something. It's only 9 a.m. It's 5-minute chart, okay. We hit this hourly fair value gap and equal highs. Because I expect to get major reaction from this hourly fair value gap if we get smart money reversal, if we don't have it yet. So I will just, for now, we'll stay away from shorting this because obviously it looks more bullish than bearish. But if it, once again, if it's not going to present a short opportunity, I mean 5-minute smart money reversal from this range, I will look for continuation higher to these highs. Let me check daily candle right now. You know, we got strong rejection from internal sell side, pretty much strong rejection. And this injection validates your stage of accumulation of market maker buy model on 15 and hourly. So, see this? For the first stage of accumulation of market maker buy model. So just for now, as I said, I still would have levels lower, and I still don't mind to see slightly lower overall on gold. But without smart money reversal, who cares what I want to see, right? So we'll just wait on gold. You entered over here. I entered as well. I stopped out at break even. Actually, negative $8 because of probably commission. I traded 10 micros. A good try, but it is what it is. So no complaints. No complaints. What's the day today? Oh, I got it. Screenshots. It was my trade. I'm going to show you right now. It was a trade that I took. My profit was at this week. Take profit was at this week. It was literally a couple of cents away. Then it just stopped me at break even. Actually, once again, slightly negative for some reason because of commission, I guess. Well, so. Good try. Failed. You said like second stage. I believe we're sitting inside first stage still. We got potential SIP over here with confirmed imminent order block. But honestly, I kind of wasn't interested in long because it was just middle of consolidation. I was like, okay, I will probably fine. Yeah, I could be fine. I was missing the trade. Yeah, I just said that. Like, it was opportunity to enter at 836. Let me check. Pretty much similar, no? Anyway, I mean, okay. It's okay. On NQ, yes, I still British on yes and NQ. I still would like to see a weekly open. I would like to see any big opening gap. Just once again, yesterday I wanted to see early fair value gap, and it was annoying because I just was stuck with my bias and decided to stay away from trading the deal market. So it was a stupid decision. So let's see. Additional bias, something like this. Additional bias. But if it wants to present opportunity before this, I will probably accept this. So for now, I'm going to highlight 9 a.m. open. Looking for potential, maybe M2 model. If M2 model can present short opportunity, it's going to be nice for me. So I can get lots of points. Let me delete. Showing auto sync. Okay. Maybe it will present, like potential 30-minute sweep or hourly sweep. So I don't mind to trade the starter soup as well. We don't have reversal signs yet. Yesterday, MT model actually failed. It offered exactly 1 hour and then dropped. As I said, maybe it's smart to take most profit at 1 hour recently with this market, but model is at least aim for a 1.5 hour. So it failed yesterday. It was nice on Friday. So yeah. Yeah, gold sitting inside feels like inside first stage of accumulation right now. Especially it doesn't want to provide any reaction from hourly fair value gap. It's not good sign for short stop. So let's see how it goes. Empty model on NQ or something on gold. Nothing yet. Oh. I scalped yesterday on NQ on 15-second chart. Not going to do this probably anymore because it was kind of stressful trade. On NQ, I trade only order blocks. I don't trade fair value, guys, but mostly M2 model, so it's available on my YouTube. Basically, hourly power of 3, 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. I trade week, and inside this week, I would like to trade 2-minute order block. In short. If it's big stop loss, I trade with just a couple of micros. So I started August pretty well on my funded futures. Where is my statistic? Let me show you. So I started well on my funded futures. I mostly traded my funded futures, so it's one of accounts I have. So solid, pretty much solid. So yesterday, one break even, one winning trade. It counts like 2 trades. So not bad, not bad. August. Not perfect on Apex. I took some like minor losses. But still okay, I guess. Trade only micros, so recently not more than 10 micros. I don't risk more than $300. Try not to risk more than $300. They will probably try to trade Apex. I don't want, like my funded futures is nice. On Apex, I took some losses last week and some losses this week. So it's like, okay, overall performance, okay. Not amazing, okay. I don't have big losses on Apex, like $200, $150. It's not a big deal, but still. I always trade 20 accounts at the same time. So a bit choppy. That's fine, probably. I didn't even check PM session, but yeah, it was kind of tricky in my opinion, PM session yesterday. Like overall, yeah, we dropped, but it was a bit choppy, in my opinion. So it's 9/11. Nothing is going on. So feels like it's trying to build trend line on both sides. We need to break something. First, PA. Oh yeah, performance account. Yes, it's funded account. I trade 50K. I know it's maybe that's me, but it's hard to trade 150K or 100K accounts for some reason. I prefer to stick with 50K accounts. I guess that's personal preference, By the way, for the first time in my life, I got straight to funded accounts from Tradify and Funding Ticks. I will try to trade them. So because I never trade straight to funded accounts. So interesting how it goes. Yeah, with like 50K account, 3-5 micros, especially on Q, that's pretty much enough. Yeah. But not going to trade straight to funded today. I will probably just trade Apex. Yeah, 25K, especially most plans have pretty much similar ratio to draw down to target ratio. 25K, 50K. Yeah, it depends. If you want to trade a bit bigger size, 50K is way to go. If you want to trade like 1, 3, 5 micros, maybe 25K will be enough. 50K, 5 micros is enough. No reason to trade minions. Just trust me. I never tried 25K. Even with funded next futures, I decided to go with 50K. But if you trade small size, I mean, that's nothing wrong with 25K, I guess. So pretty much stuck at 9 a.m. open. We call this accumulation. So for hourly power of 3, we have nothing. Just accumulation phase so far. On 1 hour chart, moving. Give me 1 second. You said hourly. Okay. June. You said June, right? Oh, July. My bad. I got it. Okay. From this low. Oh, you mean I need to put manipulation? Like I got it. This leg? Oh yeah, I got your point. I got it. Okay. You think like we got retracement from 2 and 2.5 to 1 and 1.5, straight move up to 4 standard deviation, right? Okay. I got your point. Okay, yeah. Did you try to backtest standard deviation projections on gold? Because I didn't. And yes, you're right about we got exactly perfect rule right here from 2 and 2.5 to 1 and 1.5. We call this distortion, right, on medium time frame. And with inversion fair value gap, it will pump to 4 standard deviation, like straight move up. That's not coincident, I guess, that we have inversion at the range between 1 and 1. Yeah, seems solid, honestly. So I will probably agree with you. I see setup on high time frame, probably for swing trading. Okay, for swing probably, not for intraday. So idea of this potential trade is we hit here's manipulation leg. So basically the very last leg down before reversal, right? Swing high, swing low. We pull manipulation leg projection from the range between 2 and 2.5. We want to see the retracement down to the range between 1 and 1.5. We call this as distortion range. Time distortion is second stage of reaccumulation redistribution market maker model. So we got distortion, break below distortion low, formation of inversion fair value gap, OB, retracement down to this BPR. So order block, new fresh order block should offer long. So that's for swing trading. I'm not sure yet about intraday trading, but here's probably set up for intraday for swing. Guys, what do you think? I wouldn't long right now if I want to like swing this. For scalp, that's fine. For like long just right now, not really. Okay, let me hide this for now, but I will keep my eyes on this. Probably I will just long. If I can get this setup, I will probably just long on my personal. But I got your point. So let's call this blue line as potential because it's not order block yet. Oops. 1 hour OB. Not to forget this, right? We don't want to forget what this line means. So that's potential hourly order block with closure on hourly above this blue line. Swing to where? 35.15? Probably that's a plan. Right now, it's okay. That's 5-minute chart. Probably okay. So we got potential sweep confirmed by 5-minute order block. We got new candle open. We got another order block. Give me 1 second. I'm going to check if we get 2R on this move. Once again, I call this as probably just scalp. Guys, what do you think about this setup? I don't think futures prop firm allowed to trade swing trading. You enter this? What's the reason behind this trade? Because I cannot call this like A+. It's just potential continuation. It can be around like 4-hour trade. Oh, you entered early. Okay, that's nice. 60. Oh, you got perfect entry. So yeah, here's idea of continuation. Yeah. To aim for potential OB. It's important to get the closure to consider as order block, but we can get retest. So probably something like this. Overall, quite choppy right now. 24.16. Oh, I got it. You entered the stimulant OB, right? Exactly where it stopped me at break even because I wasn't this short before. I really wanted to see we taking equal lows first as this move down. Then exactly the same reaction. So plan was in reality. I said fair value gap. We have something higher, right? And deep premium. Okay, I will leave this setup just for now. Let's see if we got something on NQ. So it's trying to trade above 9 a.m. open, but it's blue. It has to be orange. So if it may present opportunity something like this, I will try this. If not, I will not try this. That's ideal plan for me. Let's see how it goes. Going to highlight exactly the same 9 a.m. open on ES. Guys, once again, quick reminder, we do have giveaway today of my funded futures accounts. On NQ, I still believe we're sitting inside market maker sell model on a medium time frame and high time frame retracement down. We have internal range liquidity on. Give me 1 second, let me hide drawings. We have internal range liquidity at this weekly fair value gap, and I do like to see this weekly fair value gap. That's why I call this as high time frame retracement. So if we get just move down to weekly fair value gap, I will look for potential long from there. That's it. That's only the plan I have. So this weekly fair value gap. Sorry guys, lots of drawings I know. At 582. That's all I ask, to get drop to sell side and look for potential rejection. Look at this. We got sweep. We got fair value gap. We got OB. We got breaker block. We got very small inversion. Just offer this, please. That's all I ask. Hope to get, I'm still bearish, so I hope to get perfect short today. Maybe like no reason to pump to London high. Maybe that's a lot to ask. So, but still, let me delete this for now. Still would like to see lower. Let me switch on MNQ to check what we have on MNQ because sometimes charts are different. I'm sorry, guys. 2-minute chart. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm not in long on gold. I'm just sitting flat. Actually, I was trying to short before I stopped out at break even. Actually, sitting like $8 loss because of commission. So it is what it is. What time is this? Okay, 5 minutes left. Okay, let's try to be patient right now. Because as we all know, I wouldn't say like it's like perfect correlation between gold and NQ, but most of the time, when gold is going higher, NQ trying to drop. If gold and NQ is going in the same direction, probably NQ is manipulating before offering a real move. Giveaway is going to be my funded futures 50K core plan accounts, 3 accounts for today. Also, I will do, not today, but I will do scale plan. And I will do funding ticks giveaway as well. Not today, but overall. Take profit trader as well. I will just send you form, guys. Google form. You need to fill this form, and that's it. I will send this soon at 10 a.m. So in 30 minutes, actually. Let's see if we get M2 model. Perfect M2 model. It's still kind of choppy near 9 a.m. But I'm bearish, guys, on the day. Still bearish. Which country is accent from? It's Russian accent. It's Russian accent. Okay, solid rejection from fair value gap on 2 minute chart. Seems like unicorn stop right now on 2 minute chart, but it's right before news, so I wouldn't trust this so much as unicorn, you know, but feels like. Let's see, we got potential 30-minute sweep. Okay, we got 2 models right now. We got potential 30-minute sweep confirmed by 3-minute OB, and we got unicorn on lower time frame 2 minute. So overall, once again, I'm bearish for the day, but I don't want to engage right before market open just yet. We don't have like important news today. It's Belarusian accent. There is difference between Belarusian and Russian. I don't really know. I don't feel like. You're the very first person who says that, by the way. Yeah, we have news at 1 p.m. Because if it wasn't like right before market open, probably we'll look for potential short like right now. But before market open, we actually can get sweep first, like Judas swing, right? Just hate to enter before market open. Easier to get. It's easy to get, like, Judas swing up first. But if it wasn't before market open, I would consider this short. Yeah, I will probably wait just for market open first because Judas swing is possible as well. Move up, then down. It's it's like typical for market open. Still inside this 2-minute fair value gap, still trying to respect 2-minute order block. But once again, just keep in mind it's 9:30 a.m., so totally possible to get like some sort of Judas swing or something like this. But I'm bearish on the day. I would like to see short something like this. Idea based on potential 30-minute CP, mostly on this model. Yeah, market is open, guys. Potential Judas swing, also possible. No, I don't take this trade. That's why I said I don't want to engage at market open. I said if it wasn't before market open, I would probably engage. But knowing like 9:30 a.m., we can get easily a Judas swing first. It's normal, I would say. Got trapped. I call this like Judas swing. Probably. Dum, dum, dum. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, still looks more bearish than in Q. It's fine. So I will just wait for setup. Let me move this equilibrium to like new swing low. 63.43.50. Okay, sitting flat. I just took one break even before market open on gold and flat. I trade gold and Q mostly. I don't use 1-minute chart at all. Look at gold. Look at ES and NQ right now. Not in sync at all. We have, I guess, Trump is going to speak at 12 today. So probably it's going to be a bit choppy. YM, let me guess. Of course, we wanted to see lower? Of course. YM did this for you. I wasn't even surprised to see this. Yeah, of course, guys. Use SMT with YM. You will be good. Because, guys, did you notice? Every single time when we're waiting for the drop on NQ, YM already did it. NQ said, forget about this. Every single time when I want to see higher on NQ, YM already pump. Hello, hello, hello. Just true story. So, do we have 5-minute smart money reversal on gold? It's trying. We took London high, so basically we got SMT with ES, but once again, we expect to get SMT only if it may take equilibrium. Good morning. Yeah, my funded teachers gave away today. Let's see if NQ can respect London high. As you can see, this is Judo swing. Like, crazy move up, crazy move down. Like, why not? Crazy. What is going on, guys? I mean, Judo swing, yes, exactly what we talk about, but even on 1-minute chart, we didn't get a water block. In love. This is price action. Come on, NQ, don't act like this. Let me check why I'm trying to retrace. Okay. Need to open YM on my other screen to keep my eyes on this. Basically, we got just OT retracement. That's pretty much it. In love with price action. In love with price action. YM keep ejecting. Keep dropping. Let me check hourly chart real quick. About to create inversion on hourly on YM. YM still more bearish than bullish. Oh, 30-minute chart. Sorry, guys. 2-minute chart. MT model still remains for short. Yes, really bearish right now. YM keep dropping. Let's see if NQ can catch this move. I'm bearish on ES and NQ. I really would like to see weekly open. I'm not going to lie. It's just quite choppy right now. So I'm like struggling right now with entry. Guys, you bearish or bullish on NQ? Because I feel like I'm still more bearish, but I'm not really sure with entry yet. The question is if it wants to like drop like straight move down right now using this M2 model like this, or it wants to chop then drop. Oh, you're bullish? Why? My concern right now is ES. ES really bearish. I would like to see Asia low on ES. I would like to see previous day low retest on NQ. We already took this level before. But probably my concern is a bit choppy. Gold is choppy as well, so I'm keeping my eyes on gold. Let's see if once again I'm not going to like stick to one bias today. If it wants to present any opportunity like signs of reversal, so I will accept this and like we'll look for long. But right now I'm not ready to look for long just yet. Like maybe inversion. Where's first presented real quick? Over here, we inverted first presented. Like still means nothing to me, but I'm British anyway. We have some SMTs at lows. YM a bit struggling right now, but ES still remains more bearish. Like comparing YM, ES, and NQ right now, ES is bearish, NQ like 50-50, YM more bearish. You shortened to 780. Oh, previous week low today? I feel a bit tricky right now on NQ. But I cannot short ES because ES is already too low. Only makes sense to trade is NQ right now. What makes sense to trade is NQ. But NQ kind of tricky with setup. Not yet. I wouldn't mind to see short looking for entry right now. Something like this, but I will probably adjust entry accordingly. I'm not in trade just yet. YM still doesn't have any change in the state of delivery to upside just yet. Let me check real quick. CL. We have sweep over here. Okay. Retracement up. So far, I just sitting with one break even this morning that I took this morning. That's pretty much it. Trying to find levels on CL. Okay, we got daily fair value gap. We got change in the state of delivery. Okay. On 4 chart. Okay, it's probably bullish. Let's see if we got 15-minute smart money reversal. Looks ugly, but feels like. $15-minute close bullish. Where? On NQ? Still sitting flat. I wouldn't mind engage somewhere, but look at these weeks. It's ugly. So it's M and Q. We have Trump speaking today at 12. I believe at 12. But so far it's choppy, so I'm not even sure where I would enter the trade. Yeah. It's 2-minute chart. We don't have, by the way, any fair value gap, so pretty much balanced leg. Some low resistance. I don't know, like, feels like not worth it to try something yet. Let's back to price action. Didn't really touch London high on MNQ and NQ. Gold is also choppy so far. Also interesting to see how NQ is above New York midnight open while ES is below this level. So nothing yet. So we'll probably wait for 10, for silver bullet, for something. I recommend good months to trade. Every single month is tradable. If it's hard for you, you can just reduce size. Best recommendation. YM, by the way, trying to drop again. Because next key level on NQ higher is our order block at 360.75. Gold is choppy, so I like, I don't mind to engage. I could be happy engage on gold, but gold is just chop. August was nice to me last year, so like no complaints. It's still not bad to me, so. Yeah, I was trying to trade gold this morning for break even. Feels like yeah, like chop so far. How big this range? 70 points, okay. 70 points. Let me delete some levels. Lots of drawings on my chart. Oh, way better, way better. On gold, I already said, like, on gold, overall structure, on high time frame. For swing, probably. I will look for the swing long if we get potential order block. Not potential, if we get order block on hourly. So if we get this order block, I will look for the long. So that's why I'm not interested in long on this range, because pretty much choppy so far. So overall picture on high time frame and hourly on gold is something like this to me. YM keep dropping. Another SMTVs, ES at highs. Good SMT at high, so basically reaction from OT on ES. YM keep dropping, another like straight move down. And Q is doing nothing. I don't know what it's trying to do, honestly. But once again, I'm bullish on the day, but entry is kind of hard for now. Look at this 30-minute candle so far. Look at this hourly candle so far. Okay, we got 1 minute inversion. I don't use 1 minute chart, but that's all I see so far if I want to use any PD raise. That's it. That's all we have. We don't have change in the state of delivery. We kind of have nothing. YM. Okay, gold, by the way, nice move on gold right now, trying to go towards this hourly, potential hourly OB, as we said before. But once again, it's kind of choppy. Beautiful chop, I think, like, amazing. So tradable. Looks like garbage, just for now. For me personally. Crazy rejection. I mean, like, once again, absolutely nothing for me that I see right now in 2-minute chart and 3-minute chart to trade. Keeping my eyes right now on YM. Full port long gold. Yeah. I don't trade 1-minute chart. YM trying to offer order block. Trying so bad, but still nothing. It will be funny to see another, like leg down. Oops. Let me clean my chart a little bit. 249 is the bottom of 4-hour fair value gap. Funny, I was extremely bearish this morning on NQ. For now, we have gold and NQ running same direction. Trump is going to speak today at 12. I see volatility on tape right now. No, like looks still looks ugly to me. It's still not 10, so maybe we can get opportunity a bit later. Look at this 5-minute chart. 3-minute chart. 3-minute fair value gap, by the way. Okay. I wouldn't say it was good manipulation. At least maybe to me, but I wouldn't say so. I believe that if deadlines today at 12. So this can be a reason of chop. We just hit equilibrium with this leg down, entire move down. Equilibrium was at 63.43.50. I'm trying to stay away from trading against the trend. This morning I was bearish. I was bearish, like extremely bearish on gold, not on gold, on ES and NQ. But so far, I mean, nothing really happened since market opened. We have 4-hour value gap slightly higher. I just feel like it's a bit risky right now to engage in any trade. MC Mana suggests short. But I would say short. I was looking for the short from London high. We got a huge displacement. So obviously I didn't want to engage at this huge displacement. So London high was like high time frame level. Also, we have 4-hour value gap. Also can be considered as high time frame level. Also, this order block was formed in discount. So also good invalidation. It's not really speech, just like tariff deadlines today. I believe it's going to be today. Just annoying. I know if I'm going to finish, it's going to move. Okay, guys, let me send you form to participate in giveaway. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send you the form to participate in giveaway. Give me 1 second. My funded futures giveaway. Guys, here's a form to participate in giveaway. Just fill this form. And good luck, everyone. Good luck. My funded futures accounts for giveaway today. Well, I'm still trying to drop, so that's interesting. I could engage, of course. I don't see something wrong to engage. I just don't see setup. That's the issue. I could be fine even to take a loss if I saw setup, but unfortunately, like I didn't see even like, like V plus setup to enter. For today? Okay, I was thinking about like that if deadlines was at 12. I can be wrong with this, but I saw this info somewhere. So guys, to participate in giveaway, just fill this form. It's a bit more interesting than engage in this market. So if you going to win this account, you're not going to pay activation fee. It's going to be completely free for you. No activation fee, nothing. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Let me send again. Yeah, choppy so far. Probably it's just waiting for going too far for a value gap. I wouldn't say like it's like barcode chart. It's just ugly delivery higher. No, anything you like whatever you want to write, like write this. Maybe even like if you don't want to write anything, like leave this like empty. Good luck, everyone. Interesting. I'm still watching YM. YM still looks bearish, a bit more bearish than NQ, yes. We just hit 4-hour fair value gap. Oh, nothing to trade here. So I didn't see any good setup to enter. Sitting flat. We have hourly order block at 360.75. That's next PDR in high time frame. Maybe it will offer a solid setup after lunch or during the lunch, but my AM can be something like this, so I wouldn't expect a lot. But it's summer price action. Honestly, I believe last year it was better. Small one? Which one? Interesting pump, but we also got some SMTs at lows. Just overall kind of feels like delivery was hard. Let's see where is OT. We're inside OT right now. How's this leg down? Overnight move down. We got flat candle. So this candle doesn't have manipulation, doesn't have wick. It's right above hourly OB. So interesting. Will be crazy to see anybody there. Will be crazy. On 1 hour chart, candle over here is from yesterday, from 10 a.m. See this candle? So basically this candle doesn't have a wick, right? So this candle doesn't have manipulation. And at this level, why I would like to keep this level, I anticipate to get like delayed manipulation. I call this like delayed manipulation, you know? But I'm not going to lie, I will be surprised to see like just straight move up there. $10.06. Did we get any silver bullet tops? I wouldn't say so. Previous day high level, I don't think like previous day high level just target just yet. Not yet. I don't think about this. I have some levels before previous day high level, which is hourly OB and flat candle. I will probably just leave this level as if it wants to pump, it will be the target. I think so. Because MNQ and NQ two different instruments, of course you will see the difference. Look, still inside OT. We just hit 4-hour fair value gap, which is huge one. Pull some projections. First standard deviation right below hourly OB. London high is 7 points away. Guys, don't forget to participate in giveaway. If you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, my funded futures giveaway, here is a link. It's same link, just in case you cannot see if I post once, so you have a chance to see this at least 6 times. I don't trade forex or CFD. I cannot do giveaway of firms that I don't know personally, and I don't trade personally. 4% up. Good job. Good job. Yeah, I didn't use first percent fair value gap. Once again, I'm not against the first percent fair value gap. Of course, it works. But I saw many times when we respected first percent, then it inverted first percent fair value gap. Then we got reclaimed fair value gap. So sometimes it's just random fair value gap, in my opinion. Definitely can be wrong about this. That's my opinion. For some people, it works. For some people, it doesn't work. So, guys, I sent link for giveaway. Here's a form to enter giveaway. First action, not easy. It gives you, but just try to be careful. With trading big size, try to wait for the model to trade something, so it's smart. If you represent this very well, you get. Yeah, for some people it works, for some people it doesn't work, so. It's still too early in the day, so maybe we can get something. Retracement to equilibrium on ES. We retrace the 2-minute order block. I still bearish, guys. I don't know, like. Maybe a bit wrong. Just I don't see good setup just yet. Maybe I will enter second stage if it wants to drop right now. Anything section, whatever you like. You can just leave the section if you want. Yeah, still in premium. Yeah, I would say it's not that ugly, as it looked in real time. In hindsight, that doesn't look bad. It just was slow delivery. We hit equilibrium. We hit the range between 1 and 1.5. We're still sitting inside 2-minute OB. Oh, but what about 3-minute chart? Yeah, hit min threshold of propulsion block on 3-minute chart. Let me hide all levels because hard to see because of them. Two-minute chart. Going to back to 2-minute chart right now. I see volatility on tape right now. I'm not sure what kind of news we have. Maybe someone is speaking. I see absolutely zero models to enter the trade right now. I mean, for example, right now I want to sell over, but it doesn't mean I want to engage in this short. Why? Because definitely it's still more bullish. I don't see any signs of reversal just yet. Yeah, so far we have some SMTs at highs, and that's pretty much it, but we don't have any signs of smart money reversal. For example, if I want to look for safe, trade to short this market, I don't see this yet. Aggressive entry could be, I don't know, a reaction from flower fair value gap with start off open lower time frame, probably, but that's it. Some low resistance to downside, sharp move up. So let's see if at least may take this equal lows on lower time frame. I know, I still remain more bearish than bullish on NQNES, especially with just hit another height of PDRA, bearish PDRA, power fair value gap. I still a bit more bearish on the day. I just probably refuse to believe it wants to go all the way up to previous day high level. Maybe that's me, but this is what I see. Good for me or bad for me, I just don't see setup to short this, so I'm just sitting on my hands. Literally enough on 2-minute chart. It's just a retracement to discount of this leg up. We have equal lows. We have low resistance to downside. So I will look for probably just equal lows to be taken first. But choppy, so I mean, empty model is going to be for short, but we don't have order block just yet. Okay, equal loss taken. So we have low resistance to downside, sharp move up. So something like this, right? We still don't have 2-minute order block, as you can see. Guys, here's Google form if you would like to participate in giveaway. Give me 1 second. Yeah, order block is going to be a closure below this blue line. Once again, I'm bullish on the day, looking for previous day low level and Asia low. Let's see if M2 model can be presented right now. Not really waiting for 15 minutes. 2 minutes will be enough for M2 model. Once again, low resistance to downside. We got order block, nice. Let's see if we get move like this, according to our original plan. Yeah, today's order block, unfortunately, like never presented entry for short. Nice move down anyway. YM keep dropping. That's a good sign. Yes, we did drop a lot, so and Q needs to catch this move. So it created 2-minute fair value gap. Yeah, as long as it's just British fair value gap, I will look for reaction from fair value gap. Inversion will be validation from discount, internal sell side, and order block. Well, guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, my funded futures giveaway is here. So here's the form. YM keep dropping, gold keep pumping higher. So it's about to create our OB for us on gold. AS made new lows today. Let's see if NQ can drop to previous day low level and Asia low. SMT, but I want to ignore this SMT just yet. You don't want to engage at this 2-minute order block at this open of this candle. Doesn't make sense to enter in discount. I would rather to wait for the trace back up. Because your entry is going to be in deep discount. You want to short in deep discount with stop loss at swing high. It doesn't make any sense. You cannot reduce your stop loss at all yet. Maybe mean threshold, which is going to be aggressive one, but no. Let's see what will happen right now inside this fair value gap. Don't want to put limit order, honestly. I'm still flat, guys. I don't know. Only one trade from pre-market and that's it. Which was break even. Still sitting flat. Probably will stay flat on the day. If you're going to win, yes, you can give this to someone else. Like double chance. Look at ES, guys. We got it as sorry, guys. We got the test of 2-minute order block. That's huge order block on both ES and NQ, by the way. We got the test of this fair value gap. While NQ inverted this fair value gap, ES still valid. I mean, still valid by this fair value gap. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, just click this link and fill the form. That's it. That's all I ask. So it feels like there is no reaction from Flower for value gap at all. Guys, you bullish or bearish? On NQ and yes right now. You bearish? Bearish, 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 bearish. Short term bullish. If everyone is bearish, you know what will happen, guys. Straight move up. Of course. Chat is bearish exactly, so we go up. Exactly. So this is how it works. Don't be scared. It's okay. Just wait for setup with not 100 point stop loss. Yeah, it's exactly same order block on 3-minute chart as well. You think we'll go up? Okay, totally possible. You mean like if price, like if it wants to go down, there is no reason to go too far for a value gap, right? I got this right? For gamble. Anyway, so as I said before, I'm still sitting flat. Yeah. I will give it a try, maybe lunch. Maybe it will offer, potential sweep. And I will try to engage in potential sweep, but right now it's kind of choppy. Just move from premium discount, from discount to premium. So I don't feel like it's worth to try something right now. 1-minute chart. It's one minute chart on Ninja Trader right now, so you can compare 3-minute chart and 1-minute chart. Financial advice. Okay. It's just kind of choppy to me, so if you see setup right now to engage, of course it was to try. If you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, here is a link to participate in giveaway, guys. It will drop once I finish this game because I need to go early today, like overall. Of course, I will not be able to trade this. Oh, YM start pumping, so that's a good sign for yes to viewers from early fair value gap. It calls ICT height from candles by Fadi. I'm down $8 since AM session. Since pre-market, I mean. On my accounts. We'll announce winners in 10 minutes. Up 1K. Good job. For you. Not for me. But no complaints, you know. It's okay. We got the test of min threshold of 2-minute OB so far. Interesting. How many people traded today? Like, type 1 in the chat if you took any trade today. Because I feel like that's only me who decided to like simply stay away from trading. I believe price action will change, at least it will offer a good stop between 11:30 and 12:30, so this 1 hour time window. So there we should get set up. Oh, you long. You know, I was trying to trade, once again, if you just joined, I was trading gold this morning, and my ancient gold was, I was in profit, actually. I never was in drawdown. Barely was maybe in drawdown. But it stopped me at break even, so I'm negative $8 because of commission. Because I just looking in hindsight right now, like overall price action. If I decide to engage, probably I would hit already several stop losses. So it's good for me to decided to stay away, you know, from this price action. You like new phone? I mean, I do, but it's still hard. It's hard to switch from iPhone to Android. I know, like, it's easier for me to use iPhone for some magical reason, but once again, it stopped working. Yeah, I'm break even either, so you know, I don't think ICT has any like lessons about no news on Wednesday. Unfortunately, so I don't think so. I had break even as well. I had profit yesterday and break even today, so looks like we got a similar situation. I used iPhone for a long time. It just stopped working. I don't know why. Now I'm official Android user, so I trade order blocks and specific models to trade order blocks, but today it wasn't presented. I mean, on gold it was presented. I engaged and I saw long opportunity right after my break even, and I decided to stay away. Maybe it wasn't smart, but it is what it is. So I will probably just finish the day slightly red, and I will be fine with this. It's better than try to chase the price right now. Guys, I will announce winners in 9 minutes at 10:50. See pin message in the chat to participate in giveaway. I didn't even trade this account yet. I didn't steam PM session because PM session was garbage, so I still have this account, just need to trade this. Just 1 month, I guess. Not a few months back. 3-4 weeks. Yeah, just pay for this account monthly, so anyway. No, it's going to be you need to pass this for 1 month, so you don't need to pay for the second month because it's only 1 month free. And once you pass this within this first month, once you activate this, you don't need to pay activation fee. You know, I don't use 1-minute charts, but probably, yeah, we got inversion for a value gap. But we got lots of inversion for value gaps. But interesting to see in hindsight every single inversion 1 minute play out. Short right now. Hello from Belarus. I'm from Belarus as well. Hello. Yeah, my funded futures. I wouldn't play short right now. I was looking for short somewhere from here, but we immediately inverted this for a value gap. So I guess like not right now to engage for me. Oh, one over here. Okay, let's see daily candle. Lots of people from Belarus recently. That's interesting. I'm saying if this goes your ways yet, it worse. If not, I don't understand your question and your message honestly. Okay, I'm going to announce winners in 5 minutes, guys. Oh, you from interesting, Alexander. My husband also from this city, close to the city. Feels like it's flying to forced deviation right now. Like 90% retracement down. So yeah, I was bearish. It doesn't want to drop, so I will be fine. We'll announce winners in 4 minutes. Yeah, I was opening the form. Okay, guys, I'm going to announce winners in 2 minutes. I will tune tomorrow earlier to try to trade gold together again. I will just start Steam at 8:40 a.m. tomorrow, 8:40 a.m. to trade pre-market, and I really would like to be done before market open. I want to be done before market open today as well, but okay, not today. Yeah, I'm about to disconnect account, so I don't see any reason to trade. I will just start streaming at 8:40 a.m. every day to trade gold, CL, and not in Q. So 8:40 a.m. tomorrow, but first we'll announce winners. Winners first. It's just easier for me to start early to look for setup on gold and be done for before market open. Why not 8? Because I need to drop my kids to school. So usually I go home around like 7:58. So I will not have time to start at 8. I can try, but it's kind of hard for me. Okay, guys, it's time to announce winners. It's going to be 3 winners. Let me open the form first. Random number generator. I will put winners in chart as well. So we have from 2 to 458. First winner is 416. I'm going to put in the chat and on chart over here. Okay, we have first winner. Next one is 449. Tomorrow, another giveaway, guys. I will do funding ticks tomorrow. 293, right? Funding ticks tomorrow. Also, no activation fee. Here's the winners for giveaway, guys. Good job, everyone. Tomorrow I will do funding ticks, no activation fee, so you don't need to worry about paying activation fee. Completely free accounts. There's no numbers. I just pick person number. So, for example, if you were first in participating, you're going to be a number 2. So tomorrow, new giveaway, guys. Don't worry if you didn't win today. You will win tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, funding ticks. I will start at 8:40 a.m. to trade gold pre-market. I will just try to trade pre-market only next couple of weeks. Yeah, that's pretty much for today. By the funding ticks run a new sale. You can pass for just 1 day, 25% off. That's a solo deal. I personally got their straight to funded accounts. Didn't trade them yet. Just got them straight to funded, 3 accounts with them. I will try to trade straight to funded for the first time in my life. So let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow at 8:40 a.m. You will be able to participate in new giveaway, and let's try to trade gold tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching me. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.